Morning students, today we are going to learn social science of class 8. Chapter 4, Colonialism, Tribal Societies and Industries. Tribals of India. The term tribals or Adivasi is used for communities which live in remote, inaccessible highland and the desolated forest. Changes in tribals. The tribals were forced off their land when they failed to pay the land revenue. They had to work as wage laborers. Britishers forced them to adopt settled agriculture so that they can monitor them easily and get regular land revenue. When tribals failed to pay highland revenue, their land were confiscated. Moneylenders and traders often exploit the tribes who were dependent on them for certain things. Britishers forced them to work on plantation for mere wages or for free. Tribal revolt causes. The revolt occurred between 1763 to 1857. The large tract of tribal lands were taken over by the Britishers for their plantation. The tribals in this region were displaced and became landless as a large force was required on plantation. The tribals were forced to work on plantation for mere wages as bonded labor. Other regions with taxation on the tribal product, influx of Christian missionaries exploiting the forest resources. Important tribes who revolted. Santal of Bihar, Bengal and Jharkhand, Kols of Bengal, Konds of Orissa, Mundas of Jharkhand, Bhils of central India, Khasis of northern eastern India. Revolt in Chota Nagpur region. Santal rebellion. Santal inhabitants some part of Chota Nagpur, Plateau, Bengal and Bihar. They mainly led a life of hunter-gatherer. However, due to Britishers captured their land and took the support of local landlords sought to usurp even these lands, the Santal rose in revolt. Santal uprised in 1855. Their leaders like Kenu, Bhairo and Sindhu got the support from large number of potters, weavers, blacksmiths, etc. This revolt brutally crashed in 1856 and their leaders were arrested and movement came to end. Mundas Rebellion. The Mundas inhabit the region around Ranchi. They traditionally enjoy a preferential rent rate as per the Kuntikatiya system. However, this system was destroyed with the coming of Jalidar and Thekidas. In 19th century, the situation became worse. They faced starvation and epidemic. As a result, the Munda rose up in rebellion against the British. It is led by Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda was born in Ulihatu in Ranchi in Jharkhand. He gained a lot of popularity among masses. He advocated the right of Munda as a real proprietor of his soil and sought to abolish the existence of middlemen. However, he was died in 1900 in the Ranchi jail. The Coals and Golds Rebellion. Inhabiting large portion of the Chota Nagpur, they rebelled to thwart British entry into their dominion. Soon they joined the Munda rebellion. It was only in middle of the 19th century that the Coals and Mundas were finally defeated. The Gonds of Orissa rose in revolt in 1846, fearing that the British would appropriate their land. The British entered into peace settlement with them in 1848 and averted large-scale revolt. Revolt in northeast. Khasis revolt prominated tribes in hilly region between Jantia and Gairo hills in northeastern. The Khasi revolt was led by Tirut Singh when there was a proposal of construction of a road connecting Brahmaputra Valley and Suma Valley that was to pass through the region. This revolt was lasted from 1829 to 1833. The Khazis attacked and killed many Europeans and burned their settlement. This led to a long war between the Khazis and Britishers, resulting in surrender of Khazis and imprisonment of their chief in Dhaka. In Manipur, the war between two brothers, Surachandra and Tikandrajit, was the major reason of the revolt. The faction, which was led by Tikandrajit, was too much for them and they lost. In Assam, the increased land revenue tax from 50% to 70% led to many revolt by the marginalized people, which were forcefully suppressed. That's all for today. We are going to continue this chapter in next class. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a nice day.